this grievance about, aside from being a personal film, it's also talks about my hometown, the current situation there, the displacement and the constant lost spaces. It's very depressing to go back home because another space will turn into a mall. Like, the places that I grew up with, hindi ko na sila kilala. One time, I'm just about to get a document. Parang, yun yung up top of my head. To get a document, so I bumiyahe ako going to my barangay. And then pagdating ko po talaga doon, wala siya, wala na yung hall, like biyak. Sometimes mas wild na pagdating mo talaga is mall na talaga siya agad. Hindi ko nakita yung remnants of the lost space. Like, tapos, and the place that will be replaced, parang hindi naman para sa amin. Parang that's the problem. Parang you kind of felt betrayed in a way because parang this place, I lost one and then the replacement, it's not meant for me. It's not meant for people like me.